Rocky Mountain Sunscreen, Kids, Quart, SPF 50 Lotion by Rocky Mountain Sunscreen is one of the best sellers among baby sun protection products. Hypoallergenic, dermatologist-tested, Rocky Mountain Sunscreen products are fortified with aloe to help protect and moisturize skin. They are FDA certified against UVB and UV radiation, and a great choice for active people and athletes who love to be outside, while still being family-friendly and great for sensitive skin. Oxybenzone-free, no octinoxate, paraben-free, reef-friendly. Buy a gallon or quart tub of the manufacturer's lightweight, non-greasy formula for your camp, childcare, preschool, locker rooms, or club sports. Great for outdoor workers too. Gluten-free, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, PABA-free, no nut oils, non-greasy, rubs in like a lotion without a white residual sheen left on your skin. FDA bans usage of the words waterproof and sunblock, but the manufacturer are the best water-resistant sunscreen out there, for face and body. Broad spectrum, mixed filled, packaged in USA. Rocky Mountain Sunscreen UV absorber formulas are made with globally approved oxybenzone and globally approved octocrylene. The manufacturer's sun cream lotion bonds with your skin, absorbing the sun's rays, so it will not flake off. Best sunscreen for sports, water sports and everyday use. Water resistant 80 minutes, great to bring wherever you travel. Use when sup, lounging by the beach or pool, skiing, snowboarding, hunting, running, golfing, hiking, riding your bike, canoeing, fishing, paddleboarding, boating, tubing, rafting, water skiing in the sea, ocean, lakes, and rivers. Make sure to reapply at least every 2 hours and every time you towel off. Inspired by altitude, Rocky Mountain Sunscreen is located in Arvada, Colorado, and has been manufacturing quality sun protection products for over 25 years. The manufacturer offers sunscreen in bulk, as well as travel consumer-size sunscreens. The manufacturer's line of dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic sunscreen lotion and lip balm products protect families, children, and professionals across the world. Rocky Mountain Sunscreen offers the best sunscreen for anyone needing protection from harmful UV rays, especially those who have sensitive skin or who participate frequently in outdoor activities. The manufacturer offers the manufacturer's kids sunscreen in bulk sizes that makes applying sunscreen much easier for larger groups. Whether you need sun protection for a big family event, summer day camp, childcare center, or school, the manufacturer's bulk sunscreens are the economical and hassle-free sunscreen solution. Alternately, the manufacturer also have travel consumer-size sunscreen for protection on the go. For those with sensitive skin, the manufacturer's formulas are hypoallergenic and gentle. Formulated with a combination of environmentally friendly active ingredients and skin-nourishing components, the manufacturer's sunscreen is safe to use on young children or those who may have had reactions to other sunscreens. The manufacturer's oxybenzone formula is designed to even meet the exacting standards of outdoor athletes, such as skiers, bikers, runners, and more. The manufacturer's mission is to provide the highest quality sun protection products available, in easy-to-use, convenient packaging. Through education and marketing, Rocky Mountain Sunscreen is advancing skin protection for the purpose of helping people maintain healthy skin throughout their life.